Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use Synthesia without any prior experience, so you can start creating videos today. Yeah, if you've never used AI video tools before, don't worry, this guide walks you through everything because, honestly, Synthesia is designed to be beginner-friendly while still producing professional results. So first, sign up or log into your Synthesia account. Once you're in, click Create Video and choose an AI presenter from the library. You can customize their appearance, voice, and language to match your style or niche. Next, write or paste your script. Yeah, don't overthink it, just focus on clear, concise text. Synthesia will convert it into natural-sounding speech automatically, so you don't need to record anything yourself, which is perfect for beginners. After that, select a template and background. You can use built-in templates, slides, or upload images to make your video visually appealing without needing design skills. Also, add captions, scene transitions, and subtle animations. Yeah, these small touches make your video easier to follow and more engaging for viewers, even if you're new to video creation. And yeah, preview your video before rendering. So, once everything looks good, render and download it, ready to publish on YouTube, social media, or for client work. Finally, experiment with different AI presenters, voices, and layouts. Most of the time, even complete beginners can create high-quality, professional-looking videos quickly and easily with Synthesia. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.